Taking a little field trip today. What's going on, guys? I'm going with Mark from Nomadic Customs and Dan that works for Mark right now. We're going to a salvage wood place. We need to pick up some materials, or Mark wanted to check some things out. He actually, the reason we're taking 2 rigs is because he can only go for like 20 minutes because that's all he has time today to do, and then he has to get right back to the shop. So Dan and I decided to take my rig, but Dan is with him right now, so I'm gonna ride out there with him and then he's gonna ride back with me. So Dan and I are probably gonna geek out over some wood. I might pick up some new wood for this new type of another branch, I guess, of my brand and just everything that I do. So that will be coming relatively soon. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit like 100,000 subscribers by like summertime-ish. So it would be absolutely fantastic if you did that. We'll see if this van even sells. Uh-oh. Running red lights. I don't know where I'm going, so I'm following Mark. It was yellow. My van that I'm driving right now is still for sale. Who knows when or if it's going to sell. I'm actually, like I've said, I think I said in my live stream, I'm making arrangements for me to still move forward with the container home that I want to do and keeping my van. I'm working out finances. I'm working out how I can make that happen if I need to. I want to use the money from this to go into the next project. However, if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I have to work out a plan B situation. But I always said that I was gonna have a van for travel, and if it is this one, then great. If it's not, then I'm gonna build a third one. We'll see what happens there, but I'm going to be moving forward with the container very, very soon. I talked to the welder, I think yesterday, and I'm gonna start looking at some land in the very, very, very near future, probably within the next 30 to 60 days. I'm probably gonna contact a realtor and I'm gonna start that process. And that process is probably not gonna be an overnight process, but I guess you never know. You never know. All right, let's go and enjoy just I think it's like a wood salvage yard. I don't exactly know what it is, but the 3 of us have actually never been there. I don't know, we'll just see. We're gonna ambush them. They have no idea that we're coming. So I'm here with Dan now. What's up, Dan?
What's up, guys?
We are taking precautions because we're in a public place. Yeah. That's what we do. They're actually really nice to provide gloves for us.
That was sweet.
That was very nice.
That's a nice touch.
We're in reclaimed wood heaven right now. You know, this is pretty nice. What do you think, Dan?
Yeah, they've got a great selection here, and I like how they price each board individually so you don't have to do the math yourself.
Yeah, because a lot of these places will, like as you guys can see here, they have all the prices here laid out for you. This place is called Salvage Works, right? Yeah, Salvage Works in Portland area. We were just looking at these bad boys right here.
Oh, look at this, they got the locks on it.
Look at that. That is crazy. These beams are big boys. Big boy beams.
What else is nice, a lot of these, they know the history behind the boards. Like what I saw, one of them was from a potato barn. So like
really?
They tell you a little history as well, so that's a neat touch.
So what's nice is all the stuff is reclaimed, obviously, like he just said. Terry, the worker, is actually with Mark. They're going over some different things, but just to give you guys a perspective on how much this stuff costs, let's see if I can find, I believe this is black walnut. I don't see a price on it anywhere, but I know it's not cheap. I'll give you an example here. This piece of black walnut right here is $300. Black walnut is some of my favorite wood. I've used it before. I actually did a river table out of it. This piece right here is $300. There's my hand for scale size. And again, height wise, I'm about 5'9", so this is a little bit taller than me. So this is about a 6-foot piece, 3-foot piece. And it varies in size, but this piece right here is $300, just to give you guys a understanding of how much this wood actually costs and why custom tables are expensive as they are. This is actually this is another slab. This thing is $1,000 right there. This is a black walnut slab. There might be 2 slabs that says, but this is already bought and sold. This is beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm really digging it. Typically for like a lagoon table, I need something thinner. These are all pretty thick pieces. People will use these for conference tables or desks. When I get into bigger furniture, I will probably do something like that. I'll probably be able to work with some of these, you know, salvage places. What do you think, bud?
Some pretty nice stuff, all salvaged, all local.
I know, I like that.
Pretty cool.
I did like the fact that it was all salvaged.
Yeah.
All right, well, I just wanted to finish up the vlog. Dan's over here cleaning up, sweeping. We're about to leave the shop. Mark's in the office. Oh, there you are. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I was working on and why I'm doing what I'm doing. Is it a waste of time? I don't think it is. Mark's giving me a funny look right now.
I'm not giving you funny looks. I'm proud of you, son.
Mark.
This stuff looks good.
Thanks,
High
man.
choice.
Thanks, buddy. I'm releasing this on Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to everybody out there and all the moms, all that good stuff. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Happy Mother's Day to Mark's mom.
Happy Mother's Day.
And your mother's birthday is technically
happy
today.
Birthday, yes. Yeah, it's like the celebratory weekend.
Awesome. So.
And I'm here building vans.
Yeah, she's up in Idaho right now, so happy birthday to
Montana,
your mother.
actually.
Oh, Montana. I'm sorry, Montana.
She's visiting her brother.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Well, also happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you. But anyways, guys, what I'm doing here, I don't mean to just like go past that, but anyways, this is, I'm lining out the inside of the drawers. Drawers. I don't know if it was Mark or if it was Dan that gave me this idea to cap it off with a stained walnut piece, because the older drawers it was just raw wood on the inside, guys. So this is kind of making it nice. And anybody that has lived in a van or lived in an RV knows that when you put stuff inside of your drawers or cabinets, they tend to move. And when they move, whichever it may be, they cling and they clang all over the place. Well, that carpet is actually an outdoor carpet. On the bottom down here is a vinyl. So that is why I did what I did. However, a lot of people are going to be saying, well, what happens when I put dishes in there or this or that or whatever it may be, an oil of some sort? Well, guys, first of all, everything should be clean when you put it away anyways. So hopefully things are clean and nice. But I just wanted to make it look pretty and look nice. Not only for if I end up keeping the van, which I don't think I will, but if nobody buys it, whatever. I wanted to make it nice and worth that extra, just that extra little bit. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to. The river table will be mounted to the lagoon mount. I'll show that on the next video. Tomorrow I get a video coming out with, or not tomorrow, later this week I have a video coming out with Dan the Man about bed systems. Very excited about that. So, okay guys, we shall see you later. Good night. See ya.